Planning a trip can be both exciting and overwhelming, with countless details to consider. Fortunately, ChatGPT is here to simplify the process, offering personalized travel advice and information. So, in this video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can assist you in crafting the perfect travel experience. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your travel planning journey. Let's jump right in. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean compromising on experiences. From flights to accommodations and even daily activities, every little cost adds up. But don't worry, ChatGPT right over here can help us figure out the best ways to save without cutting out all the fun. So let's see how ChatGPT itself can assist with finding budget airlines, affordable accommodations, and free or low cost activities at our chosen destination. So here's my prompt right here. So as I stated right here, budget airlines, accommodations, free or low cost activities in our chosen destination. Let's say Kyoto, Japan, right over here. Okay, let's send our prompt off and let ChatGPT give us the recommendations. Okay, and yep, everything's all checked out over here with the prompt. Let's send this off. All right, searching the web as you'll see. Okay, so here are the following. Let's scroll down. Affordable accommodations in Kyoto. As you'll see, here's the map guide right here. There we go. And yep, here it is. Let's scroll up once again to check out the whole results right here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm from the Philippines and I want to go to Kyoto, Japan, and I wanted like something that I could afford with my flight. So here is the budget in the following, like Cebu Pacific, Philippines, Air Asia, Jetstar Asia, over here. And there are details on how much and how it operates going there to Kyoto. Okay, let's scroll down. And here it is, affordable accommodations in Kyoto. And here is a map of Kyoto that ChatGPT had recommended for us. See, you can interact with it. Look at that. And then you scroll down. Oh, before that, as you can see, those numbers right here, these are the accommodations tagged that help us out from ChatGPT with number one, guest house Kyoto Inn. Let's keep scrolling for number two right here. This was highlighted. Toyoko Inn, Kyoto Gojo Karasuma. See, look at that. Number three. There, it already dragged us, lead us to third accommodation recommendation. See, pretty cool, right? And let's scroll down right here to free or low cost activities in Kyoto. As you'll see, there's Fushimi Inara Taisha. Okay, there are Torii gates. Yep, these are traditional sightseeings. Another one, Temple, Bamboo Grove, Gaon District, Nishiki Market for the local foods and goods. And yep, there we go. Look at that. That's a solid plan for an affordable yet enriching trip right here. So, with these insights, planning a trip on a budget doesn't seem as daunting anymore. You can still explore, experience, and enjoy, all while keeping costs under control. See how helpful this is? Look at that. We all love famous attractions, but sometimes it's the hidden gems that make a trip truly memorable. Just think about it. When you visit a new city, you want to experience more than just the crowded hotspots. You want those tucked away cafes, peaceful temple gardens, and secret alleys filled with authentic flavors. That's where local insights come into handy. So, let's ask ChatGPT to suggest hidden gems in the selected destination from previous segment, Kyoto, still that offer a unique cultural experience. Okay, here's a simple prompt right over here. What are three, let's say I wanted just three hidden gems in Kyoto that offer a truly local experience away from the usual tourist spots? Okay, let's send this off right now. Here are the recommendations coming up. And then here we go. Just take a bit while for ChatGPT to process. All right, so here, Otagi Nenbutsuji Temple. Okay, there are details like why, and there is a local tip right here. Another one is Komyo-in Temple. Same thing, why visit, local tip. And lastly, Shirakawa Minamidori. Okay, so why visit, local tip. Yep. So mainly the three the ChatGPT had recommended are all traditional. Temple, another one is this one is a charming stone paved street. Okay. So if you wanted like hidden local cafes or izakayas, just ask ChatGPT. So let's say hidden local cafes. All right. I could just selected that one and here we go. And I'll let ChatGPT. There we go. So first is Cafe Bibliotic. Hello. This is for book lovers. Weekenders Coffee. All right. Is a minimalist cafe. And then Cafe Kawa. All right. That located right in the banks of Kamogawa River. And all right. And also for izakayas, sure. Just answer right away. Izakayas. There we go. One right here. Taka. All right. Second, Giro Giro Hitsushina. And Hachimonjiya. Right. Each of them has specialties. Look at that. For sashimi, grilled seasonal fish for taka, ever-changing seasonal set menus, Giro Giro Hitoshina, and for Hachimonjiya, yakitori or grilled skewers, karaage, fried chicken, and Kyoto style pickles. And all right, and that is as far as I can go right here. So as you'll see, adding these spots to your itinerary will make your trip feel more personal and immersive. Just trust me, local recommendations can make all the difference during your trip to any locations. See right here how helpful this is. Just note them down and this could help you out with expanding your experience in your trip. All right, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Packing can be stressful, especially when visiting a new destination. Have you ever arrived at a destination only to realize you forgot something crucial, like an adapter, weather appropriate clothing, or even something as simple as sunscreen? Well, a well prepared packing list can save you from that hassle. So, what I'm going to do, once more, here's my prompt. So, I would ask ChatGPT, let's say, generate a detailed packing list. And as you notice, I would add more details just so the results would be more specific and related to what I'm asking based on this prompt. So let's say I would go to a trip to, once again, Kyoto, Japan at spring, factoring in the specific visits I would go to, like temple visits, city exploration, and light hiking. All right. So let's leave it up to ChatGPT and see what it recommended for us or what it need for us to pack for this specific trip. Okay, just wait for a bit for this process. Okay, so here are the following travel essentials. All right, as usual, passport and visa, smartphone. All right, another main category, clothing, footwear, as you'll see right here. The temperature during the spring in that specific location. All right, toiletries and personal care, of course. Let's keep scrolling. Yep, there's also Band-Aid just in case you got a minor injury or a cut. All right, electronics and gadgets, food and snacks, miscellaneous. All righty. And yep, that's about it. So let's keep scrolling up. Right over here. Yep, traveling essentials, as usual, passport and visa, just as I stated earlier. Of course, cash and credit or debit cards, travel insurance documents. There's a portable power bank, of course, just in case you need to charge your devices, SIM card or eSIM for Japan or pocket Wi Fi rental, notebook and pen for journaling or important notes, clothing and footwear. See, just what I pointed out. See, it's helpful on the type of clothing or footwear based on the temperature site during spring in Kyoto. There we go. More detailed clothing piece with the tops, bottoms, outerwear, footwear, and accessories. Down here, toiletries and personal care. Some items may be available at convenience stores, but better to bring favorites. Okay. So you can see right here. And 4, electronics and gadgets. There we go. Food and snacks, miscellaneous, and yep, there we go. So just to note, these recommendations make sure you're comfortable, prepared, and respectful of cultural norms. So packing smartly means you won't waste time searching for essentials once you arrive, just so you can focus on enjoying your trip from the moment you land. Choosing the right time to travel can make all the difference in your experience. Imagine arriving at your destination just when the weather is perfect, or better yet, when a once a year festival is happening. Mm. So that's why checking the best time to visit can be a game changer for your travel plans. Okay, here's my prompt. Simple as that, I would ask ChatGPT, what is the best time of year to visit Kyoto for comfortable weather, fewer crowds, and notable cultural events? Okay, so let's see from ChatGPT once we send it off. Sorry about that. And check out the insights based on what it generated for us. Okay. All right. Best time it says mid to late November and early to mid May. Okay, mid to late November. Okay, here's the weather, crowd, events. There we go. Oh, another one right here for the alternative late winter, mid February to early March. There's the weather, the crowd, events. Okay, let's scroll up. So let's check out the best season right here in these two choices. Okay, so weather, it says comfortable temperatures 10 to 18 Celsius, 50 to 65 Fahrenheit, crisp air. Okay, events, the stunning autumn foliage, Koyo, transforms temples and gardens into breathtaking landscapes. Recommended spots include Kiyomizu-dera, Tofukuji, and Arashiyama. Okay. So early to mid May, after Golden Week, mild for 15 to 25 Celsius, 59 to 77 Fahrenheit, sunny with low humidity. Okay, crowds less busy after Golden Week, which is April 29 to May 5, when domestic travel slows down. Okay, events, the Aoi Matsuri, May 15, one of Kyoto's 3 major festivals, features a grand Heian era parade from the Imperial Palace to Kamigamo Shrine. Okay. And all right, let's take a closer look Again, with late winter, mid-February to early March. Okay, cold but not freezing. 5 to 13 Celsius, 41 to 55 Fahrenheit. Least crowded season. Early plum blossoms at Kitano Tenmangu Shrine. Setsubun Festival on February 3 at Yoshida Shrine, which features an atmospheric demon chasing ritual. Okay, that's kind of cool, though. Thrilling, but cool. Okay. So, yep, that's exactly the kind of timing that can make a trip unforgettable. So, planning your trip around the best travel times ensures that you're making the most of the weather's events and overall experience. So, you're not just visiting, you're immersing yourself. So, by leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you can enhance your travel planning process, ensuring a well informed and personalized experience. Remember to verify critical information from official sources, as AI should complement, not replace, thorough research. Just a note, you guys. And yep, that's about it, everybody. See you in the next video, and safe travels, everybody.